Okay guys, so last video. So basically we are finished with our layout design. We created our room. We named and defined our different floors or different rooms. So we have storage and closet. We talked about dimensions. You guys have windows, you have doors, you have your perspective view showing everything that you've done. Okay, added some shelves. And then we have full perspective with the roof. And now we're ready to take this to layout. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with that. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go File. And then we're going to go from Template. So we'll go New Layout from Template. Choose Layout Borders, Imperial Layouts, and we're going to choose this one right here, B. Okay. Alright, from here, we're ready to start adding our different views. Okay, but before we do that, we need to edit and put our name inside the box here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the Type tool. We're going to click here. We're going to say, put me right in there. You guys are going to put your full name. Oops. Alright, and then click OK. Here you'll see that it's not in the correct orientation, so I'm going to hit the space bar. I'm going to select it, and then I'm just going to get these rotate arrows. I'm just going to rotate that in there like so. Okay, there we go. Alright, now guys, notice, I guess I should have said something here. Make sure that you guys are, if you're doing this with your name, you can do that on sheet 0, but everything else needs to be on sheet 1, okay? Because sheet 0 is your master, so whatever you do to 0, it will do to everything that we do, alright? So, but mine was already started on 1. If yours is on 0, it's fine, it's okay. You can still put your name there, and it'll put it on all the sheets, but you don't want to put any images or anything on 0 because they will be on every single sheet. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we're ready to go to our plan, and then from our plan we're going to go here, and it is send to layout. So we'll click here. It'll be like, oh, what layout do you want? This is my new layout, and we're good to go. I want the entire plan view, and yes, that's what I want. Alright, click OK, and here you can see that it has been added to the plan view. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select it, and I'm going to go ahead and get everything sized up just enough to where nothing gets cut out. It's just a smaller box, so that way I can grab this and slide this all the way over here up against this. Boom, there we have it. Okay, now the next is to get a perspective view, not a full, so minus the roof. Okay, and I want you guys to get an angle to where I can kind of see a couple walls and I can see the interior here. So I kind of like that. That's going to work for me. Okay, and then same thing, guys. I'm going to go send the layout. Click here. Now on this one, what we're going to do is we're going to select current screen as image. If we do current screen, it's not going to allow us to scale it the way we want, and it's been causing some problems. So we're going to just go ahead and say current screen as image. Okay, we'll click OK, and here it brought it in. So we're just going to slide that over a little bit, and you can see just how massive it is right now. So we're going to size that down, get these boxes. Okay, and then we're going to size that down. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. Something like that. Okay, and then I'm going to grab that and stick it right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and size these in just a little bit, so we have a smaller footprint. So that way when I move it, it's just a smaller window there. Okay. Alright, about like that. And we got this one. And then I want a full perspective with the roof and everything. So I'm going to kind of can maybe do the back, okay. I think I'll do something like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and export it again. Make sure full screen or current screen as image. There we go. And as you can see, this thing is massive, so let's go ahead and size it down. There we go. Bring those in. And I'm going to size this up. You guys see how it cuts off the, so that's why it's important you guys kind of get that to work the best you can. There we go. Something like that. There we go. Something like that. I don't want everything to be cut off, right? So I have everything that I need. I have my updated photo. Now I'm ready to get this thing prepared to be submitted. So what we're going to do is we're going to go File. You guys are going to go to Export, and we're going to choose Export PDF. That's what you guys are going to submit to me. This is what will show me everything that you've done. Alright, here we go. Now here is some of the problem that we're having, and that's because if at some point I will want this printed, okay? So we have to change this from an ARC-B down to an ANSI B. Okay, you can see ANSI B here. But then you can see we got some stuff that was cut out. You can see that we're missing our title block, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go sheet. I just want the first sheet. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to fit this to the paper. There we go. So now I can see my watermark. I can see my scale. The watermark is still in the way. So if I did like to scale, you can see it's going to pop that back into my ANSI B. Alright. Or I'm sorry, my ARC B. But I want this like so. And change shed design. Nope, I don't want that. So I want that back to 95. I like 95 better. Alright. And then once we got that, you can say include watermark. Take out the watermark. Alright. Okay, so drawing fit to paper. Printout may not be to scale. Drawing sheet is larger than paper size. Yep. So that's fine for right now. Alright, that should work. And then we're just going to go save as PDF. Alright. Save your design. And that's what you guys are going to submit to me on Canvas. Alright. Alright. Good luck with that, guys.